zombie in the maze. You're asleep inside, but you can shake away.
You're just a dead man walking, thinking that you're only option. But you can flip the switch and